Welcome back to the show. Thanksgiving comes with a lot of food and also a lot of food waste. But this problem isn't just for families at home. Restaurants, businesses, and universities all waste food. But RIT is working to fix that. James Gilbert found out how.
Most food waste, whether it's generated at RIT or in households, is currently sent to landfill.
And in the United States, that's about a third of available food. RIT's Sustainability Lab has been working to take their food waste or trash and turn it into treasure.
We see a lot of potential here to start looking at food excess as a resource and not just a nuisance.
The food scraps being ground up in here will end up looking like this, a very high energy product that once was things like coffee grinds and pineapple skins. You might be thinking this is compost, but it's so much more. What you're seeing is dehydrated food scraps that PhD student Shweta Arora says can be formed into fuel, fertilizer, or even a filter.
I'm trying to understand how dehydrators can be used by food waste generators.
Like RIT, which generates several hundred tons of waste per year. And they have options
to manage their food waste in a way that helps them address the regulatory goals and also helps them save money.
Money needed to build the right infrastructure on a massive scale.
So a lot of these alternative technologies are continuing to come down in cost and should be economically competitive with landfilling in the near future.
And perhaps one day we'll eat into this growing problem. James Gilbert, News 8.
Funding for these sustainable solutions that RIT is focused on comes from an almost $1 million award from the National Science Foundation.